Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to auto join rally in Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and auto join a rally in Last Asylum Plague. So first of all, you need to go to the top left corner and click on your profile icon. There in the bottom you can see record, account, settings and rank. You need to go and click on the settings, which is the third option. Now scroll down until you find auto rally or auto rally. Of course, when you go to settings, it's the second option here. Now you need to go and see auto rally or auto or join a rally. So you need to go and find these. Scroll through these to of course be able to find it. If of course it is not here, maybe you don't have the right version of the game, so it is not being available in this part as it is not for me. So basically your aliens may need to lock of course the development and auto rally technology. Sometimes it is because of your aliens, in which you have to go in so that you will have that. Some tips: auto join rally is especially useful for aliens events like Cheese Trap, where it automatically sends your strongest march to activate rallies even if you're offline. Consider disabling it before defensive PvP events if you want to keep your troops at your base instead of automatically joining rallies. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.